talking about AI, the challenges that enterprises face, and what we're doing at Glean to actually help enterprise embrace generative AI. So first, if you think about today's world, we are at a very early stages of this revolution powered by artificial intelligence. Over the last 3 decades, we have seen significant technology trends that we have witnessed, which have sort of fundamentally changed how work happens, how we live. If you think about these big trends like internet, mobile, cloud, SaaS, they fundamentally define like enterprises work and how we live. But if you think about the AI revolution that we are in the middle of now, this is actually going to be a transformation that's going to be greater than in size than all of those previous big tech transformations that we've witnessed over the last few decades. It actually quickly answers questions for you, but very quickly is going to actually transform to AI that works with you. You will see all kinds of chatbots and assistants that will go beyond helping you find information to AI assistants like ChatGPT, which are going to actually help answer any questions you have, explore topics, actually help generate content for you, and provide a lot more help. In fact, it's going to be a companion for you, for your work. But the future is actually even more powerful. We'll be living in a world where AI is going to work for us. AI is going to actually work autonomously. Today, if you think about AI assistants, you as a human are, as a key driver. You actually go and ask the question in Gemini or ChatGPT, and then it actually does the work for you. But the future is where AI agents will be operating on their own. They will be interacting and communicating with other AI agents. And sometimes, they may engage with us. They will proactively engage with us, if they need help, if they need clarification. But otherwise, they will be working behind the scenes without our involvement. That is sort of what we are looking at in terms of how AI is going to truly transform like how work happens. As the Google or ChatGPT, but inside your company. What I mean by that is, like Glean, can answer any questions that your employees have using your private internal company knowledge. And it's actually safe and secure in the sense that when you as an employee go and ask a question in Glean, it is going to use the company knowledge, but only the part of it that you are authorized to use to then answer questions for you and help you sort of do your work much faster, accelerate work for you. And using Glean, and Glean is going to use all of your enterprise knowledge and context to actually do that work for you. So that's the end user product that we can bring to every employee inside your company and help them do better work than what they could do before. But the way we accomplish that, like how are we actually helping answer people's questions using a private company knowledge, is actually by building this really powerful RAG-based AI platform. So the way Glean works is that when you bring it to an enterprise, the first thing that we do is we connect Glean with all of your internal enterprise data. So, and what I mean by that is that if you think about where is your company knowledge, it lives in systems like Google Drive or OneDrive, SharePoint, Teams or Slack. So what Glean does first is it actually brings knowledge from all of those different places into the Glean search index. We also build a deep understanding of all of that knowledge, what knowledge has become obsolete versus what knowledge is fresh and up to date, what knowledge was meant for which departments within your company, and also who has access to what knowledge within the company. And then what we do is we actually build a search and retrieval engine over all of this enterprise knowledge. So now you can, using APIs, ask questions, and Glean can return back relevant information, documents, conversations, tickets, messages, meeting recordings, whatever is relevant to your question, it's going to return it back to you. And in fact, it's going to actually use the power of AI, and in fact enterprise language models that we actually train and build for each one of our customers to not only present that information back to you, but actually comprehend, read that information, and actually give you precise answers to your questions. Looks and feels like Google or ChatGPT, but we also give a platform that our customers can use to build many more AI applications inside their company and bring AI into your existing business processes and gain significant efficiencies in your business. So that's sort of what Glean is all about.
Just raise hands a little bit with the mic to you.